Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Upwork Freelancer account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type upwork.com and press enter. Wait for the Upwork homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page and click Login. If you are on mobile, tap the menu icon first, then tap Login. On the login screen, choose the option that matches how you created your account. If you signed up with email, select the email login option. Click inside the email or username field. Type the email address you used for your Upwork account. Click inside the password field. Type your password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want to see what you typed, click the eye icon in the password box. If you are on a shared device, make sure the Keep Me Logged In option is not selected. Click the Login button to continue. If Upwork asks for a verification code, open your email or authenticator app. Copy the code exactly as shown. Go back to Upwork and paste or type the code into the verification field. Click Verify or continue to finish the security step. If you see an error message, recheck your email and password for typos. Make sure your keyboard language and caps lock key are set correctly. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email and follow the password reset link sent by Upwork. After resetting, return to the login page and sign in again. If you use Google, Apple, or other single sign-on, click the matching button. Choose the correct account in the pop-up window and allow the sign-in request. Wait until your Upwork dashboard opens completely. Confirm you are in the freelancer view by checking the top navigation and your profile icon. For extra safety, go to Settings and enable two-step verification if it is not already on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.